Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make this chicken curry, Indian style. We've got a lot of pepper in there. We're going to call it a pepper creamy, coconutty, delicious curry. It's simple, it's delightful, it's spicy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to take a look at these ingredients first. I'll show you some others as we go along. So we've got chicken there, whole chicken, skin on, bone in. That's a 1 kg or a 2.2 pound chicken. Cut that into chunks. 2 cups of onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 dried red chili, 4 green cardamom, inch or so of cinnamon stick, and 2 teaspoons of peppercorns. Let's get moving. So in my pan, I have about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use a different oil if you want. Coconut oil is also nice in this. So let's drop in those chilies, the green cardamom, the cinnamon, and the peppercorns. We're on an above medium heat. I'll be back in about 60 seconds. Let them do their thing in that oil. Let it infuse it and give it a good flavor. Never skip this part of any masala or curry that you're doing. Okay, to that we're going to add 2 cups of the onion, and we're going to go for 4 minutes. Beautiful. Next up, let's grab our chicken. Like I said, 1 kg, 2.2 pound chicken. A whole chicken just chopped up, skin on, bone in. To that we're going to add some salt and black pepper, and quite a lot of black pepper. So we're going to go double the amount to the salt there. About 6 minutes, stirring fairly often. We're well on our way. So about 6 minutes in there, been stirring this fairly often, looking beautiful. We're now going to add in that 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of minced garlic and ginger. You can buy it in many stores depending on where you live. You can certainly get it online, or like us, you can make it yourself. We use so much of it here. Now a couple of ingredients you've not seen. Some fresh chili. I'll put mine in whole like that. You can chop it up if you want. The amount is up to you. And then some spices. The big 4, always call it that. We've got a teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander powders. If you don't have them, you could use a curry powder mix that you have. I think the separate or individual spices are better though. And we're going to be stirring this constantly now for 2 minutes. To that now we're going to add 2 cups of water. And I'm now going to grab some coconut milk. So again, 2 cups there of coconut milk. Let's get this on a nice low heat now. Nice little simmer. And we're going to let this go for about another 8 or 9 minutes. We're going to give it a stir every now and then. It's delicious. Look at that. Fantastic. Okay, off goes the heat. Just about 4 minutes on my cooker there. You can see that it's slightly darkened in color, thickened, and we've got a really nice masala there. I'm happy there. I'm going to finish this off with a whole cup of cilantro or coriander, whatever you may call that. I'm going to give that a mix, check that for salt. For me, it's perfect. That is really delicious. Well done, everyone. Well done. Absolutely marvelous. Fantastic with rice or with some roti bread, whatever you want. That's delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.